can you see? Can you see a small star?
Yes.
And this is more bigger stars. And this is the biggest star in the world. But Teacher CJ used today. Thien An is the biggest because it has many stars. And Thien 2 because it has many stars. Yeah, bigger. It's win today. Thien 1 is win and Thien 2 is win. Yeah. And did you know today what kind of colors of the team to win? My friend chose team blue. But we and my friend team red. Yes. And today team blue is win. Yeah. This is team red. It's no talking. Because it's talking too much and to do slow. Yes. And so since we have to goodbye the star many times. Yeah. And Team 4. Because it's all my friend's fault. And do you know how to draw now?
Yes.
Can you draw? Let me see.
Yes.
Where can you take a paper and draw for me see the star out like this?
Yes.
Can you draw?
Yes.
Take a paper
Okay.
and draw. When you want to draw, you need to take the paper and turn on this video to look what kind to draw and
Yes.
star. It's really easy.
Okay.
It's easy to draw. You know?
Yes.
Yes. We can do like it's
Yes. I think.
you can draw it. Children to go.
Yes. I think.
You
it's
know?
easy.
There. You can do many kind of things. Like children go to have a picnic or maybe